Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. It's me, Mia. Today I have the same guest from my last video,
Ashley.
And so we're doing
a blindfold slime challenge part 2. So yeah, you already know what the rules are. We can't look, so it'll be like a mystery.
We have like our blindfolds.
We have glitter packets, food coloring, little these something,
activator, glue, and shaving cream. Then we have our bowls,
little bowls, blue spoons, and yeah.
So let's just get started
with the video.
Okay, so we're gonna put our blindfolds on. I'm actually kind of scared.
Me too.
I can't see anything at all.
Oh, this is so small.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Do you have it on? Ashley, do you have it on?
No. It's so small. Like it doesn't fit my. Oh wait, now it does.
Wait, can you see through it?
Wait. Oh my gosh, I hate this. Tell me if I'm doing it right.
Okay. That looks so tight on her. Okay, so we have the blindfolds on, and so I'm gonna put my glue first.
Okay.
Okay, so we're actually only put a little bit.
Wait, this is yours.
I know. This one?
Where's my spoon?
I don't know. Okay. So I'm gonna pour my glue.
Watch out, because your fingers are gonna get all dirty and we forgot napkins. But I'll go get some after the video. We'll just talk. Oh my gosh.
Wait, don't look. Okay, here.
I know I'm not. Oh my god.
Actually, don't pour a lot, okay? Then now I have the shaving cream, guys. I'm just gonna give it. Do you pour it already?
Yeah.
Okay. Now just set it down. Is it down? Okay. So. Okay, add some shaving cream.
I don't want to add a lot because what if it doesn't work?
It will. Oh.
What?
Oh my God, Ashley.
What, is it bad?
I'm not looking. I don't know. It sounded like you put a lot. Okay, so I'm mixing mine. Ashley, are you mixing yours?
Yeah.
I'm just saying, guys. Oh yeah, Ashley already said this is the part 2.
Part 2, guys. Watch it now. Subscribe and like. And go on Snapchat. Follow us on Snapchat.
I don't have Snapchat.
Follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, we'll put our I'll put the Instagrams in the description
below.
Yeah.
What's your Instagram name?
Comment your no.
Comment.
Ashley, so do you already mix it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pick my color.
What are you?
Pick your color.
Jamia!
Pick your color.
Wait, I'm so scared.
Where's your Ashley? Do you have a color?
What's this? I don't know. Yeah.
Okay.
Did you already get yours?
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna put 2 drops.
Okay,
I think that's.
Ashley. What? How do you know how much I put in?
No, I'm not looking at it. Did you put a lot?
I don't know.
Okay, so we're mixing it.
Oh, hey guys. So this is my color. Is it pretty? I don't know.
Well, I'm gonna add some more food coloring because I feel like I don't know. I just want to be.
I wonder if it's dark, like the color. What do you guess your color is? Darker or light?
Okay, so we're mixing it. Ashley, are you done? Ashley, are you done? Okay, I'm gonna pick my color. Okay, I picked mine.
What's this?
Did you leave the garage open?
We're in during the slime video.
Did you leave the garage open?
Yeah.